Today, we'll be talking about the 5 most disrespectful criminals in court. These individuals showed a complete lack of regard for the legal system and the court proceedings. Get ready to be shocked and amazed as we delve into the audacity of these criminals. Let's get started. This is Alan McCarty. He has been arrested and charged with making death threats to a judge. A judge ruled against McCarty in a child custody case and removed his children, resulting in this massive outburst. McCarty was arrested as a result of this phone call.
Communications, Warhurst.
Yeah, I want to report a crime that's about to happen.
What do you mean a crime that's about to happen?
Yeah, there's about to be a crime that's going to happen if my kids don't come back to me, you stupid. I got a gun pointed at your building. Where's your judge warrant at? You going to bring that out in handcuffs and I'm going to execute that right in the street.
His erratic behavior toward the judge persisted during his court appearances.
My daddy owns the building and I look like a idiot, huh? Brought your dress today, you little prick. You want to take my kids from me and act like that? You in that? Shut the up. I'm trying to think over here.
We now move on to sentencing after McCarty was found guilty of the original threats made to a judge.
What a bunch of guys, you stupid piece of. You threatened my life. And you
Back room.
suck my. No, I'm not standing.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm just not standing up. I'm not standing. I don't have to stand.
McCarty is moved to another room to view the court through one-way glass, and he continues to cause havoc.
A disturbance.
Don't be around.
McCarty was sent.
This is Jeremy Christian. He was convicted of murdering 2 people in Portland, Oregon. Christian was on a crowded train when he went on a racial rant toward 2 young women. Bystanders can be seen stepping in to try to stop Christian. Unfortunately, the situation deteriorated, and Christian stabbed and killed 2 men while critically injuring a third. Christian can be seen fleeing the crime scene. Train passengers pursued him, and he was apprehended about a mile away. Christian can be seen in the back of the patrol car during the arrest.
I'm happy as a motherfucker. Hopefully this motherfucker dies.
Christian was eventually convicted of 2 counts of murder and attempted murder. Now, during the sentencing, one of the victims gives a victim impact statement, and this is when Christian explodes.
To Mr. Jeremy Christian, your mom should have swallowed you. You are a waste of breath. And when you die and go to hell, I hope you rot.
See you there. You ain't gonna be there either. You ain't gonna be there either. The whole city. Door 4. I should've. Everybody knows you're a liar. Everybody knows you're a liar.
The judge sentenced Christian to 2 consecutive life terms plus more than 25 years for his other convictions after escorting him out of the courtroom. This is Bass Webb. Bass Webb is the man accused of 2 counts of attempted murder in Lexington, Kentucky. On this security camera, Webb attempts to run over 2 employees at a jail where he recently served time. The judge is about to remove herself from the trial during his first court appearance because she knew the 2 employees. And now, Webb is about to stun the jury. He basically spits on the judge. The judge wipes his spit away before kicking him out of the courtroom. Webb has a very dark past, it turns out. He was charged with the murder of 2 different girlfriends while incarcerated. He was convicted of the murder of his first girlfriend, and he's now on trial for the second time. Webb arrived in court with a tattoo of people he wanted to kill on his head. 3 rats were crossed out at the bottom. Webb showed no remorse during the trial, and the jury found him guilty. Webb was sentenced to life in prison for his crimes by the judge. This is Darrel Brooks. Brooks is the man who was convicted of killing 6 people and injuring dozens more when he drove his SUV into a Christmas parade in Waukesha, Wisconsin. He reportedly reached speeds of more than 30 miles per hour during his reckless driving, and the prosecution argued that his driving rampage was intentional. Brooks decided to represent himself in court after being arrested and charged.
He plowed through 68 different people. He kept going until he got to the end. and there was no more bodies to hit. It was intentional.
Brooks was removed from the trial several times for constant interruptions and outbursts.
If you are allowed to represent yourself in this case, sir, you will not have attorneys assisting you. They are gone from this case. Do you understand that?
I think I will probably be better served representing myself.
When he began to laugh during witness testimony, his true personality was revealed. Brooks has an outburst in the courtroom because he doesn't like how the district attorney pronounces the word defendant.
I would like to provide the defendant and the court.
So that had to be said. The defendant. I got one ear that work and I heard that.
This is to benefit you.
No, it's not. Ain't none of this to benefit me.
To top it all off, Brooks's frustration levels have reached critical mass, and he's ready to have a stare down with the judge.
I need to take a break. This man right now is having a stare down with me. It's very disrespectful. He pounded his fist. Frankly, it makes me scared.
The jury quickly found Brooks guilty on all 76 charges, and he was sentenced to 6 life sentences plus more than 700 years in prison. This is Bryce Rhodes, who currently is on trial in Louisville, Kentucky for 3 counts of murder. Rhodes is said to have started his killing spree by mistakenly shooting and killing an innocent man. 2 brothers, a 16-year-old and a 14-year-old, were in the car when Rhodes committed the murder because they were witnesses to the crime a few weeks later. Due to Rhodes' erratic behavior, trials have been ongoing for years.
You clutch these kids at all? They're cool. We play basketball. I'm cool with a lot of people.
Did you hang out with them on a regular basis?
It was cool. Yeah, we hung at different times, you know. I need a lawyer, man, if you're going to keep all in my face.
Began by blowing kisses to people in the courtroom, including the victims' families, and then making hand gestures.
Ma'am, look at me. Ma'am! Mr. Rhodes, you're smiling. I don't know why you're smiling.
Because I can. It's not a crime to smile.
I would suggest you do what helps you, not what hurts you.
Okay. Do what I want to do. Let's get that understood.
Rhodes was once forced to wear a spit mask because he spits on this attorney.
Nice cheap shot. You a coward. Nice cheap shot. Excuse me.
In a subsequent court appearance, Rhodes made some strange accusations against the judge. The trial's been extended much longer than expected due to Rhodes' out-of-control behavior in court and his firing of several of his lawyers.
I don't know if y'all got some type of sexual relationship going on. Are you some type of racist? Which one is it?
Or are you just wrong in everything that you made a motion for?
Are you a secret Ku Klux Klan member?
And that's a wrap on this topic. If you found this video informative and entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated to our latest content. Until next time, take care.